Don't believe so.
It's called Dog on a Running Line. It's another song you can ask Alexa to play if you have an Alexa. I got a dog, I keep him on a running line. I got me a dog, I keep him on a running line. He goes back and forth from time to time, going to and fro between the pines. I got a dog, I keep him on a running line. Tell if you want, but you don't. No, I wouldn't touch it. You're not the kind of dog that likes other folks. Spends his days at the end of his rope. It's kind of a shame, but there ain't no hope. I got a dog that don't like other folks. Yes, I found him busted and broken on the highway side. He'd been beaten and he was starving and left for dead. So I took him home, I put him in bed. I don't know his name, I call him Red. He keeps me company, and I keep him fed. I keep him fed, that's what I do. Play some better dog on this. I built him a pen, but I ain't got no cash. It's all been spent, but don't ask. I let him run loose, but I done got sued. He bit the neighbor's kid at the barbecue. I did what I could, but what can you do when you rescue a dog from another man's boot? I got a dog, I keep him on a running line. Down the mountainside, he'd been beaten and he was starved, he was half covered in fleas. Took him to the clinic, had him checked for disease. Checked out all right, so I brought him home with me. I keep him fed, he keep me company. Was it a blue moon? I bring a woman home to my bed. Friend of mine, I got a dog to keep him on the running line. I got a dog, he's a real good friend of mine. And he left me better from time to time. Good boy. Hey, that's a song about my dog. He's buried under that tree now, but Yep, he used to have a good time. Well, he had a good time.